So
God have
guys,
mercy upon us.
I'm referring to General SS. Understand? General SS, they always say my strength is too much. My strength is too much. General SS, if your strength too much, prove it for Nigerians. Prove it for us. Prove it for us, bro. Understand? Prove it for us. You know, go day for social media, they shout my strength is too
Hello.
much. You know, see improvements. Maybe to carry all this thing wey they carry when big. If you dey show us your muscle, bro, prove it for us. Say your strength too much. Understand? Bring yourself out for us. Understand? They social media they shout my strength is too much. My strength is too much. We all we know. Yes, you have that strength. Use it and fight for yourself. Fight for your country. Bro, what are you telling me? No problem. Una just dey do us anyhow. You will not get strength. Your strength is too much. For poor people, you go dey look am. You go dey carry your strength go.